Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are watching Zoya Life Healthcare. Today we describe you a wazifa for personal satisfaction. Here we told some precious religious spiritual thoughts of Islamic religion. Today every person facing depression problems, low efficiency problems, low income problems, family problems, business problems and so many more. So in the Quran, the personal satisfaction is only begun by the memorizing Allah. So in Quran, in Surah Ru'ad, Allah said that Allah bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. So you have to follow some steps, like you have to done proper wuzu, recite Holy Quran regularly. After then you have to offer 5 time prayer, and here is the amal. Then after Isha prayer regularly, after Isha prayer and before sleeping, you have to recite 3 times Ayatul Kursi, and then you have to recite 111 times Ya Malikul Quddus, and after then you memorize that you are in the rahmah of Allah and Allah will be offer satisfaction throughout the life. This is the special Rohani Amal for personal satisfaction. So if there is any enhancement of your knowledge after seeking this video, then please like this video, subscribe our channel. Jazakallah.